Hello friends, Namaskar. We are doing quadratic equations, chapter 4th of class 10th NCERT book. Today we will solve some problems of exercise 4.3. So let's start. Question number 3 is find the roots of the following equations. First part is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0. What is the meaning of x is not equal to 0? If x is not equal to 0, then we can multiply by x on both sides. Multiplying by x on both sides. Because अगर x 0 होता तो 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड will become 0. Since x is not equal to 0, so we can multiply. It gives x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. स्टूडेंट्स, हम इस प्रॉब्लम को एलसीएम की हेल्प से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इफ यू विल टेक एलसीएम देन x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3x. मीन्स जब हम एलसीएम लेकर सॉल्व करेंगे तब भी हमें सेम रिजल्ट मिलेगा, बिकॉज जब हम दोनों साइड का एलसीएम लेते हैं तो एलसीएम रिमूव हो जाता है. Now we will write quadratic equation in standard form. A is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Students, question is find the roots. यहाँ पर कोई भी मेथड इंक्लूड नहीं किया हुआ है, सो आप किसी भी मेथड से रूट्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Factorization method, method of completing the square, or using quadratic formula. So we will use here quadratic formula. X means roots is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under the root by 2a. So what is b? B is minus 3. So minus as it is at the place of b minus 3 plus minus b square means minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. 4ac by 2a. A means 1. So 2 into 1. Minus minus plus in multiplication, 3 plus minus square of minus 3, 9, 3 3s are 9 and minus minus plus minus 4 minus 1 in multiplication become positive by 2 is equal to 3 plus minus under root 13 by 2. Hence x is equal to 3 plus minus under root 13 by 2. Hence 3 plus under root 13 over 2 and 3 minus under root 13 over 2 are two roots of our given quadratic equation where x is not equal to 0. Now second part, 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30 where x is not equal to minus 4 and not equal to 7. So we can multiply by x plus 4 x minus 7 because x is not equal to minus 4. अगर ये minus 4 के इक्वल होता then minus 4 plus 4 will become 0 and similarly 7 minus 7 again 0. So now since x is not equal to both of these values, so we can multiply by x plus 4 and x minus 7 on both sides. Students, look here, 1 over x plus 4 multiply by x plus 4 x minus 7. So what we get? X minus 7. Now minus sign, then when we will multiply this term and these terms, then we get x plus 4 and in right hand side 11 by 30 and x plus 4 x minus 7. It gives x minus 7 minus x minus 4 because negative sign outside bracket, so minus x and this plus also became minus 11 by 30. Now we will multiply these two factors. x into x, x square, minus 7x plus 4x minus 28. Now it gives one is positive, another is negative. So same like terms with different numerical values. So cancel out. Minus 7 minus 4. It becomes minus 11 is equal to 11 by 30 x square minus 3x minus 28. One is negative, another is positive, like terms. So sign of bigger number and their difference in case of addition. 11 is in numerator in left hand side. 11 is in numerator in right hand side. So we can cancel out. Here we get minus 1 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28 by 30. I think students you are getting. Now 30 will go in left hand side, became minus 30 x square minus 3x minus 28. Now it 0 x square minus 3x minus 28 प्लस 30. हमने माइनस 30 को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से राइट हैंड साइड में ट्रांसपोज कर दिया. एक्स स्क्वेयर माइनस 3x प्लस 2 is equal to 0. Students, if we have 0 is equal to x plus 5, then we can write x plus 5 is equal to 0. Both are same. We get a quadratic equation in standard form. Now we can use any method to solve it. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 2. We prefer quadratic formula because with this formula we can find out directly values of roots, values of x. Minus b plus minus, what is this? B square minus 4ac, discriminant d by 2a. Now we will put values. Minus as it is, b minus 3 plus minus b square minus 3 square minus 4 into a 1 into c 2 over 2 into a means 1. Negative negative positive, bracket means multiply, plus minus minus 3 square 9 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 2 ja 8 over 2. It gives 3 plus minus under root 1 by 2. Students, under root 1 is equal to 1. Under root 4 is equal to 2. X is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 or 3 minus 1 by 2. Hence, roots of given equation, that is given quadratic equation, are 1, 2. Now question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages are in years. 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Find his present age. So let his present age, Rahman's present age, is equal to x years. 3 years ago. Ago means before. Ago means before. 3 साल पहले. His age x minus 3. अगर आप x को अपनी एज कंसीडर करें, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 15, देन बिफोर 3 years मीन्स पीछे. बिफोर 3 years you are of 12 years मीन्स x minus 3 बिफोर. लेकिन अगर हम आफ्टर की बात करें मीन्स x प्लस समथिंग. अगर आप 5 years के बाद अपनी एज सोचेंगे दैट विल बी 15 प्लस 5. x आपने 15 अपनी एज कंसीडर की थी. 3 years बिफोर, 3 साल पहले आपकी एज 12 years, x माइनस 3. So 5 years after, from now means after 5 years, x plus 5. So 5 years from now, his age will be x plus 5 years. Now students, according to question, the sum of the reciprocals. किसका sum? Reciprocals का. किसका reciprocal? 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So 3 years ago, x minus 3, and reciprocal will be 1 by x minus 3. And its reciprocal is 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Students, you know about reciprocal. Second name of reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means जो मल्टीप्लाई होकर 1 मिल जाए, जैसे 7 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 1 by 7. सो वी गेट 1 मीन्स वो नंबर्स जिन दोनों को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करें और उनका प्रोडक्ट 1 आ जाए, दोज आर रेसिप्रोकल टू ईच अदर और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स टू ईच अदर. 7 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 1 by 7 और 1 by 7 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स और रेसिप्रोकल 7 मीन्स उल्टा. We have to form a quadratic equation. For that, we will take LCM. LCM is 3x minus 3x plus 5. We are taking both sides LCM so that we can remove our LCM. Now here we get 3x plus 5 plus 3x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3x plus 5. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम एलसीएम लेकर सोल्व ना करें तो जैसा हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में किया था हम वैसे भी सोल्व कर सकते हैं. मल्टीप्लाइंग बाई x minus 3x plus 5 on both sides, then we will get same result as after LCM. So it is equal to 3x plus 15 plus 3x minus 9 plus 3 minus 3 in multiplication negative 3 3 is 9 is equal to x into x, x square, x into 5 plus 5x minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 plus 5 minus 15. Now 3x plus 3x 6x plus 15 minus 9 plus 6 is equal to x square plus 5x minus 3x. Sign of bigger number and their difference 2x minus 15. Now we will carry our left hand side terms in right hand side so that we can get a proper quadratic equation. 0 x square 2x 6x like terms, sign of bigger number and their difference like term will be same as it is, minus 15 minus 6 minus 21. Now students, we can write x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 21. To find Rohan's percentage means x, we will use quadratic formula. Using quadratic formula. You know about quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into a 1. Now is equal to minus minus plus plus minus 16 and minus minus again plus 4 into 1 4 into 21 84 by 2 is equal to 4 plus minus 100 by 2, that is equal to 4 plus minus 10, square root of 100 10 over 2. I think students you know how to find out square root. Means you can use long division method, making pair from right hand side. हम 2 डिजिट का एक पेयर बनाते हैं, सो 2 zeros का एक पेयर 1 एज इट इज, 1 1 जा 1, वही डिजिट यहाँ पर, वही डिजिट यहाँ पर. सो नाउ वी टेक डाउन नेक्स्ट पेयर 0 0, 1 का डबल 2, लेकिन यहाँ पर कोई पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. हम एक 0 ऊपर लेते हैं, इक्वल टू 4 प्लस 10 बाई 2 और 4 माइनस 10 बाई 2 minus 6 by 2. But this is not possible because age cannot be negative. Hence x is equal to 7. Hence Rahman's present age is equal to 7 years. Now question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Saifali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. दोनों सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स कुल मिलाकर 30 हैं. मीन्स अगर मैथमेटिक्स के x हैं तो इंग्लिश में कितने प्राप्त होंगे? 30 माइनस एक्स, क्योंकि दोनों का सम 30. हैड सी गोट 2 मार्क्स मोर इन मैथमेटिक्स, अगर मैथमेटिक्स में 2 मार्क्स ज्यादा मिलते तो x प्लस 2, एंड इंग्लिश में 3 मार्क्स लेस, मीन्स 30 माइनस एक्स माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 27 माइनस एक्स. ये इंग्लिश के मार्क्स और ये मैथ्स के. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर मार्क्स, इनका प्रोडक्ट वुड हैव बीन 210. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, मैथ में अगर 2 मार्क्स ज्यादा मिलते और इंग्लिश में 3 मार्क्स कम होते तो उनका प्रोडक्ट विल बी 210. It gives x plus 2, 27 minus x, and its product is equal to 210. 27x means now we are making a quadratic equation. X into x minus x square plus 2 into 27 54 plus 2 minus x minus 2x is equal to 210. Minus x square plus 27x minus 2x plus 25x plus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. Minus x square plus 25x, here one is positive, another is negative. Bigger is negative and the difference 6, 5, 1 is equal to 0. स्टूडेंट्स हमने यहाँ पर नेगेटिव कॉमन ले लिया, सो नेगेटिव एक्स स्क्वायर बिकम पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, एंड इन राइट हैंड साइड 0 इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव. नाउ वी गेट ए जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. हेयर a इज इक्वल टू 1, b इज इक्वल टू माइनस 25 एंड c इज इक्वल टू 156. नाउ यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला we can find out value of x, that is equal to minus b plus minus discriminant square root. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac by 2a. It implies that x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 25 square minus 4 into 1 into 156 by 2 into 1. So it will be positive 25 plus minus 25 square means 25 into 25 and that is equal to 625. So 625 minus as it is 4 into 1 4 and multiply by 156. Then we get 624 by 2. Now again same 25 plus minus square root of 1 by 2 and square root of 1 is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 26 by 2 or 25 minus 1 24 by 2 means x is equal to 13 or 12. Students, there are two conditions. We got two positive values of x. So both are possible. Hence, if marks in mathematics is equal to 13, then marks in English will be 30 minus 13, 17. Because दोनों सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स का सम 30 है. बट इफ मार्क्स इन मैथमेटिक्स is equal to 12, then marks in English is equal to 30 minus 12 is equal to 18. मीन्स यहाँ पर हमारे पास x जो मार्क्स हैं उनके दो पेयर्स हैं 13, 17 और 12, 18. I think you got it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. If you really like, then please share and subscribe.